to my channel and I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home. I am Yvonne and today I am coming up with another interesting challenge video wherein we'll be having the most prohibited thing in my house at least, which is Maggi! Yeah, I'm so excited because I am not allowed to eat Maggi nowadays because I'm eating too much of Maggi, so I am kind of kept away from Maggi. But today for this challenge, I've got all the possible permission to have Maggi, and that too, for how many hours? 24 hours. So today is a most enjoyable day. So now I'll just show you all what all the different type of Maggi that I have got. So this is the Maggi masala. This is the chatpata tomato. This is from the fusion one, which is the Hong Kong spicy garlic noodles. This is the special masala one. This is from the same fusion range, the Bangkok one, which is what? Sweet chili noodles. This is a desi cheesy. This is a veg atta, and this is a chicken noodles. So this is all the different type of Maggi that I could lay my hands on. I have heard there is even oats Maggi and spinach Maggi, but I could not find it. I tried a lot to search for it, but I could not get it in any store. So only these were available, so I just got them. And yeah, let's get started with the video. So in today's video, we are not going to make the Maggi pakoras or the Maggi bhel or the Maggi pizza. No, nothing of that sort. This video is with a twist, wherein we'll be eating purely Maggi for 24 hours, and there are different flavors of Maggi. And now let's begin with the first meal of our day, that is breakfast. So now for morning breakfast, I have planned to make two Maggis, which I've already made because I'm really hungry. So this is a normal masala Maggi and this is a cheesy Maggi. So I've already prepared it. So just have a look at it. So this is a cheesy Maggi and it has some chili flakes and oregano in it, as I can see. And see how delicious it's looking. It's piping hot. And this is a regular masala Maggi. And I've kept it a bit soupy because I am not doing the challenge alone today. But everyone in my family is waiting to have Maggi for breakfast. So that's why I kept it a little bit soupy. So now let's have it. So we'll start from the cheesy Maggi. It's quite hot. Just look at the Maggi, how cheesy it looks. And it smells cheesy as well. Let's see if it tastes cheesy as well. So let's take the first bite. It's very hot, but as the name suggests, cheesy, it is very cheesy. Now let me try the masala Maggi. So everybody knows the taste of it. So the breakfast part is sorted and it's very delicious. And I could not wait actually, so I just made it quickly and bought it. So now I'm going to have and enjoy this Maggi, garam Maggi now. And then I'll catch you if I feel hungry again because I've woken up very early. So if I have a mid-morning snack, I'll catch you all for that or directly for lunch. So now guys, it's lunch time and it's so hot over here, I can't tell you. It's not even raining that I'm feeling eating Maggi today. Every day when I was not shooting this challenge, every day it rained over here. But today when I'm shooting this Maggi challenge, it's not raining and that's such a disappointing thing. It's so hot over here. And now for lunch there is a twist wherein I won't be selecting the Maggi for my lunch, but my mom will be selecting it. And then she'll just keep the bowl here and she'll prepare the whole Maggi, everything. And I have to guess which Maggi flavor it is. Though I've eaten most of the Maggi what I have got today, but there are some which I have not eaten, like the chatpata tomato I have never tried. And the desi cheesy that we had in the morning, so that was a new flavor what we tried out. And now let's see how this goes for lunch. So now how this is going to take place is like I'll be closing my eyes and she'll be choosing the Maggi. You guys will get to see which Maggi flavor she's choosing. Then she'll prepare it and keep the bowls in front of me, wherein I have to tell her which flavor is which is going to be a little bit difficult for me, but let's see how it goes, and let's just start now with lunch. So now here I've shut my eyes. Now my mom is going to select the Maggi.
Open your eyes.
Oh, the Maggies are here. This has been the longest 10 minutes of my life waiting for the Maggies to come, and just look at the two different Maggies. So this is Maggi number 1, and it's piping hot, and this is Maggi number 2, which is also piping hot. So now let me taste and see which of the two different Maggies made. This one smells like made of wheat flour. Also, I could see some vegetables in it. So I guess it's the Atta Maggi. It's correct. Okay, now the second one. This is going to be a little bit tricky because there are no vegetables in it. And it smells like just a regular Maggi. This one I cannot guess. I don't know this one. So I'll just ask my mom which one is it.
The special masala.
Okay, so here are the two packets which she had prepared. This is a veg atta noodles which you got correct, and it's a special masala which we did not get right. But it's okay, there's no punishment today. So now I'll just enjoy my Maggi for lunch, and then I'll see you all at tea time. Hey guys, good evening and welcome back to the channel. So now it's 6 o'clock in the evening. I just had a good nap and I woke up. And now for evening I have two options, which is the Chatpata Tomato Maggi and the chicken flavored Maggi. Now I do not at all like chicken Maggi. So I am trying to ditch the chicken Maggi and I'm only going to have this, that is the Chatpata Tomato Maggi. I know I should have had the chicken Maggi also, but after having so much of Maggi throughout the day, I am not feeling quite well also, and still dinner is also there. So I hope you all excuse the chicken Maggi and we'll continue with the Chatpata Tomato. So have a look and see the Maggi. So this is the Maggi and it's piping hot. I've kept it a little bit soupy because it is looking like the tomato soup what we get. And when I was preparing it, the whole kitchen was smelling of this tomato Maggi. So now let's see if it also tastes like nice and tomato. It's quite hot. Just look at the smoke coming out. It has a Chatpata tomato and that soup tastes like a tomato soup only. And it's nice and very comfort food, so if you get a chance, rather have it. And this was a Maggi which I never tasted, and I'm glad that I got this Maggi and I tasted it. So even you all can give this Maggi a try, it's really good. So now I'm going to enjoy my evening snacks and then I'll catch you at dinner time. So hey guys, welcome back. So it's dinner time, and today for dinner I'm going to be trying the fusion range of Maggi, which is the Bangkok sweet chili and the Hong Kong spicy garlic noodles. Now first have a look at how it looks. So just look at how red and saucy it is, and it's smelling also very delicious. When I was preparing it also, it was smelling very delicious. Just look at the noodles, and they're piping hot, guys. Now we look at the Bangkok sweet chili noodles. So this also is looking very delicious, but this is white. So I think it won't be that spicy like the Hong Kong sweet chili, but I don't know. I've never tried any of these, so let's give it a try. So first we'll try the Hong Kong spicy garlic. So this is what the noodles look like. The taste is good. You get that garlic taste also. So overall it is okay. Now we'll try the Bangkok sweet chili. So as the name suggests, sweet chili, it really has a little bit of sweetness to it and is giving out a tangy aftertaste like. Overall, you're getting the feel of the fusion, and I was very excited to try these noodles. I'm going to have it first and then I'll get back to you all. So guys, with this we come to an end to this 24-hour Maggi eating challenge. I hope you all liked this Maggi eating challenge with a twist and enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it. If you all have any suggestions or recommendations regarding it, and you can leave it in the comment section below. Also to let me know which is your favorite flavor of Maggi. Also, if you want me to do a video wherein I make this Maggi pakoras and the Maggi chaat and what not from Maggi and the Maggi cake, please do let me know in the comment section below. Also guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it's completely free. So please take a moment and subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell next to it, because that is a bell which will notify you all each time I post a new video. Also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it took me a lot of effort to eat that Maggi, that maide wala Maggi for 24 hours. So please, for my efforts, do give this video a big thumbs up and also share it with your family and friends and enjoy it. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye.